These are the Romanian roads that we remember. No, we are driving a lot of these backcountry roads here in Romania back in 2016. It was fun adventures just after the winter because there was a lot of more water here. And now, but this is just a slow driving, nothing else. Now we have better tires, our van is lifted. Today is adventure day. We're gonna drive through Transapuseni National Park. There's 10 kilometers of quite bad road. I read some comments about the road, and there was some comments saying that it's just a bad gravel road, and somebody told that they were afraid of driving it. So let's see how it goes. The river is totally murky. This is surrounded by swamps, so it turns really murky when it rains. So we collected some rainwater and washed ourselves with that. Yeah. Now everyone is asking why we don't use our shower. We use our shower when it's either too cold or we have unlimited water wherever we are. So if we are in nature, we try to use natural waters to bathe, because we are traveling so much slower than last time. Last time we drove like 150 kilometers per day, so it could be easily find some source, so spring water or any other water source to fill up your tank. So using your shower was easy and it didn't affect anything. But now it's adventure day. First adventure is getting out of here. This is Hungarian mud here. We have all-terrain tires. They are PF Goodrich KO2s. All-terrain, so you can use them also in winter time. They have these symbols there to use them. They had tread of 12 millimeters 45,000 kilometers ago. Now we have like approximately half left, 6 millimeters, and that is the reason that we don't ever change to normal tires anymore, because these last 60 to 80,000 kilometers, when normal tires last with our van approximately 35 to 40 max. Yeah, gonna drive away. Sarah will go to the road to notice if there's somebody there, because when we start driving from here we cannot stop because of the mud. That is one. When we get traction we have to move. These are the Romanian roads that we remember. No, we are driving a lot of these backcountry roads here in Romania back in 2016. It was fun adventures just after the winter because there was a lot of more water here. And now, but this is just a slow driving, nothing else. Now we have better tires. Our van is lifted. These are not really backcountry roads, these are logging routes. And these are our favorite routes, because these are adventure days for Jonni, as Sarah says.
And a big adventure for Vandal. Goodbye. Try to stay in a one piece. And I just hope our bathroom floor doesn't break because of all the vibrations and loud bangs. This time we have so much more time, so we are not feeling bad if we get lost or something. This is something that relaxes us, and we like to just see a lot of beautiful dark green trees around us. And Jonni is master of avoiding these potholes. But yeah, We will drive like a 5 kilometer per hour. Yeah. But you don't need 4x4 to come here. No.
I think this was the only part that was a bit demanding. I don't know, it's just rocks. There's no mud or loose gravel, so...
But some of them are a bit not dangerous looking, but sketchy. So I wouldn't come here with the vehicle. After first half an hour it gets boring and not fun.
This is fun. This is not boring at all.
Johnny is still laughing.
Yes, because this is fun.
But you're not gonna die here.
No. There was normal Volkswagens coming from here, so
Yeah.
I'm not really afraid that we're gonna get stuck here or something.
Yeah. But this is... I'm sure the camera won't capture, but this road is horrible.
Yeah.
And these Carpathian, whatever, mountains are not that famous among travelers. They are really old and not that pointy, sharpy, photogenic. But to us this is like a perfect place to be. Pointy trees, lush, dark green forests, amazing fields, usually kind of good weather, like now, sun is shining, tiny little roads. Oh, we love being here.
These are places that we can actually get peace of mind. Mountains are of Carpathian mountains and these pine trees, and I have really fond memories from these plains that are behind us. This is like this how I remember the Romania. These plains and these valleys and pine trees around. I don't know. So that's a good feeling at the moment.
A little break from driving. We are at the moment parking at the highest point of this Apuseni National Park area. Beautiful scenery. Wind is kind of cold and brutal, so we prefer just admiring the views from our windows. We stop here to make food. We are making rice, fish and vegetables, and here's a good connection, so once again we are uploading one of our videos to the YouTube. We do have like a 1 week lag at least in our videos because we need to find a place where we can upload them, and kind of safety reasons we don't really want to let you know where we are parking at that moment. Yeah. Beautiful Romania, but one sad thing here. There is these street dogs, so dogs that do not have any owner. They're kind of sad because they are limping and missing a tail and not very good condition. And because our connection here up in the mountain is so good, we are going to have a TV dinner, so we will watch some YouTube while we eat. I feel so small, so tiny next to these big hills. It's a gorgeous place. Nature is so beautiful. And Joni is peeing.
It was an adventure route. I think it took us like 1.5 hours to drive through that valley over there. There is a couple of other smaller routes that goes away from that main road, but yeah, that was a marked road here in Romania. It was DJ763 if you want to Google. So with the motorhome, drivable, yeah, not with the large motorhome, but yeah, it was quite easy for our van. I'm really pleased that we installed the lift kit and also had the good tires, because now it was easy peasy to actually drive that whole road. Yeah, but here we are at the plains of Romania and just enjoying. There's a herder on this place. This is the viewing point or start of the route, gravel road, and yeah, there's a herder with I think 200 or 300 lambs and some other dogs here in mountains. I don't know if they are homeless or do they have home on the village just below, because they have collars. I don't know. Maybe they have home. I hope. Se on ihan vitu iso. Niin oot. Niin oot. Niin on. Se on ihan hauskoja kaikki. Just beside the little stream, and really beautiful place. It's still warm, like in daytime when the sun is up. There was a little town, we passed it, but it was completely empty. So I think the high season in here is done. So it's like in Finland, our high season is like a month or two, and that's it.
I love how the sunbeams get through those branches and light up the green grass. It's almost like a neon colored green. Amazing. And then this shimmering little stream. We absolutely love these kind of settings. We just cannot stop smiling. Amazing places. It's so gorgeous here and silent. Whoa. Just setting up a campfire and enjoy the gorgeous night here. It's already a bit chilly because the sun is going behind those trees, and it gets surprisingly cold really quickly. And we do have a firewood with us, always traveling with the firewood, so we never ever miss a campfire moment.
Little oopsie, I burned my hand and my other hand when I was trying to save the other hand. Yeah, some small amber jumped, or it's not amber but tar from the pine trees, got stuck in my finger. Luckily we have the river just beside it, so I've been keeping it there to cool it down. Yeah, it's not good feeling. Sun is already setting, and when we are in the mountains area it gets really cold really fast after that. So we are already prepping ourselves to be inside.
Night is young and full of terrors. We will go for the evening walk with our doggy and then come inside the van to chill. There's no internet reception, so it's always good time to chen out without any social media. We will maybe watch a movie though. It gets dark so quickly and we are not going to go bed. When it's 6 o'clock, we will go bed when it's 8 o'clock.
That 360 camera, Insta60, we have actually loved it. It's a great way actually showing you guys, for example, our life in a camp or making food or just normal things. And Pulla is not afraid of that camera, so bonus thing.
Yes, Pulla Adaki is really conscious about this big eye always staring at him. It's like an extra person in a room kind of thing. But the 360 is the 360 camera is more subtle. It's like a hidden cam. Yeah. Thanks for watching our videos. Remember to subscribe and like and share if you want to. Of course, you are not obligated, but it helps our channel. Because YouTube overall is going to downhill. I don't know what's the future of the YouTube, but I guess we will make these videos because it was never about the money. Never. Just deal with the annoying ads that they put a lot. Thank you.